So my name is Aaron Viveros. I work for Associated Builders and Contractors of Southern California. I am the Community Outreach Coordinator, and I'm also ABC's Master Trainer. So I am in the classroom full-time. I teach our electrical apprenticeship program. I also go out to communities, spreading the good news of who we are as ABC. I like going into schools, second chance youth, different programs in our community to help better our community. Anybody that wants to learn a craft or a trade, they don't need to be out working in construction. They come from all walks of life. We teach them the fundamentals from the beginning. So I believe if anybody has an interest in construction, they can come to ABC, and in 4 to 4.5 years, we can turn them into a skilled craft professional where they can have that rewarding career and provide for their family. I have students that have been homeless. I've had students that have had substance abuse problems. I've had students that came straight out of high school, all different walks of life. And for them to hug me and cry on my shoulder at graduation, to have them be successful, for them to own their own houses, to take care of their families and their kids, and to say, hey, thank you for being part of my journey. It's very heartfelt. There's so much more to teaching than just teaching the trade. It's being a big brother and a mentor to people that need it. Maybe they didn't have that father figure, maybe they didn't have that dad or big brother to lead them and guide them and teach them good values. And I'm just happy that I can share that and change people's lives. This program means the world to me. It really does. My heart beats ABC.